As the content creation landscape evolves, artificial intelligence, AI, tools are redefining the way creators produce engaging and professional quality content. Here's a look at the top 10 AI tools transforming content creation in 2025, helping creators streamline their workflow and unlock their full potential. Hi, and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll uncover top 10 AI tools. Whether you're a beginner or looking to scale your content creation, these AI tools transforming content creation in 2025. 1. ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a conversational AI tool known for its advanced text generation capabilities. It can create articles, scripts, blogs, and even answer complex questions. Its versatility makes it ideal for content creators seeking to enhance productivity and creativity. Ideal for brainstorming, storytelling, and customer interactions. 2. InVideo AI. InVideo AI enables users to transform text prompts into engaging videos effortlessly. It offers features like automated media generation, stock media integration, and AI-powered editing tools for script optimization and voiceovers. Perfect for creating marketing videos, social media clips, and explainer content. 3. Upscale AI. Upscale AI is a free tool designed to improve image quality by enhancing resolution, color balance, and details. It's widely used by content creators for refining images for professional use. Deal for photographers, marketers, and graphic designers. 4. Durable. Durable is an AI-powered business assistant that streamlines operations by offering website creation, email marketing, and customer relationship management tools. It simplifies complex business tasks into manageable processes, suitable for small businesses and entrepreneurs looking to automate operations. 5. Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI specializes in generating high-quality images based on user prompts. It's designed to meet the needs of artists, marketers, and content creators who want quick, creative visual solutions. Perfect for creating concept art, storyboarding, and promotional visuals. 6. Dream by Wombo. Dream by Wombo turns static images into animated visuals with AI-driven creativity. Users can create short, captivating animations or bring still images to life. Excellent for social media content, advertisements, and artistic projects. 7. 11 Labs. 11 Labs provides realistic text-to-speech conversion, producing lifelike voiceovers for videos, audiobooks, or podcasts. It also offers voice cloning and customization. Best for creating professional-grade narrations, voiceovers, and audio branding. 8. Soundful AI. Soundful AI generates royalty-free music based on user preferences and keywords. It allows creators to customize genres, tempos, and moods to match their projects. Perfect for video creators, podcasters, and game developers. 9. Stable Diffusion. Stable Diffusion provides real-time AI image generation from text descriptions. It is renowned for its ability to create high-quality, detailed visuals in seconds. Great for advertising, content creation, and artistic experimentation. 10. Dream by Suno AI. Suno AI generates unique songs based on lyrics or text descriptions provided by users. It caters to various musical styles and offers endless customization. Useful for musicians, marketers, and content creators looking for tailored soundtracks. These 10 AI tools are revolutionizing the way content is created in 2025. Whether you're crafting text, videos, music, or images, leveraging these tools can significantly enhance your efficiency and output quality. The future of content creation is here, and it's powered by AI.